Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I want to share with you how I generate YouTube thumbnails and image for my blogs. This is a setup using an automation process, which we will discuss in another video. For now, I will show you how we can actually create images like this. I'm just going to show you how you can do this for free without paying a dime for any of the tools that I'm using right now. First, we need the image prompt for the AI generator. So for that, I am using this website. Here I have already created some templates or like prompts that I will share with you. I will show you how will I approach this. This is easy to set up. All you have to do is show you the template. You need to select the language models that you want. You just need to give it a name and a description. Then you can copy paste your prompt here, and you can set up like a variable or a placeholder to take in our image prompt, which is just easy. You can just write that keyword in this brackets, double brackets. So after that, you can just click on save, and this template will be saved. You can do this with any tools. You can use this with the OpenAI free option. Claude is also available for free. Since I have this software, I'm using this. That's the same thing. You can use any AI LLM models that you like. Then what you can do here is, for example, I was about to create a video to promote my coupon code for Pictory. So all I have to type in is like the topic, right? So what I will be typing is get a 20% off on all Pictory subscription by using the coupon code activate code. So this is our code. So this is my image topic. This is what I want to create, the thumbnail or blog post image, whatever that you want. Then all I have to do is click on run. Then it already injected the prompt here, and it's running on different AI models because I want a maximum variety so that I can choose the best one. So it's using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4 latest August version, and also the Gemini Pro 1.5. I chose all these models because all these models works differently, even though it's the same prompt. So I need to get like different variations or so that I can choose the best one. Most of the time I choose what is given by the Sonnet model, because I think that gives me the best image featuring high. Yeah, let's just copy paste this one. I just want to show you how easy it is. Just copy this and let's go to Idiogram. This is also free. You get like 10 generations, as you can see. When you sign up, you get 10 images every day. So that's more than enough if you are not a power user. You can also just turn on the auto magic prompt, because it will enhance your the prompt that you give. And the aspect ratio for, since it's like we have a lot of selections here. Since it's a YouTube thumbnail, we can keep it as 16:9. And you can also, these are all like locked, these are all premium features. So let's just click on generate, and let's see the image that's generated here. I will also show you how you can use the same with Leonardo. This is also a good model where you can get accurate text. For that, you just click on image generation, select the Leonardo Phoenix model. This is the newest model that is really good with the text. So I will just copy paste the prompt here as well in order to see the difference, and just click on generate. It's also selected as 16:9, and the large is not available for the free users. So let's see the difference in quality of both. These are the images that's generated using Idiogram, 20% off. And let's see, we'll also get image like this. Activate codes. We can also try with the different prompts here. Let's try this one as well. I get like a lot of options. That's how I prompted it. I get like a photorealistic one. I get like a minimal design, 3D cartoon Pixar style. So there are like different prompts. I'm not going to show you all, but I'm just showing you the different options that we get with this prompt. And as you can see, you can give the same prompt in both this image generator. You get like, so this is the kind of quality that we are getting. And also I believe this is much better. Save 20% on quick. Yeah, I think this is better. The quality of the image is really good, and the spelling mistake is really minimal with this one. Selected the image that we want. Next is we need to enhance the quality of this image, which is not free, because the upscale feature we need to pay. As you can see, it's for premium users. So what I do is like I just go here and download this. In the PNG is also not available, so JPEG is what we can get for free. I just download it and I just save it. Then what I do is I just go to this platform, Leonardo AI. This is where the magic happens. Here we have the upscaler. This is the one of the best upscalers that is available for free right now. So what we can do is we can just upload this image here and just click on the upscale button here. It will take 30 credits. You get 150 credits every day, so that means you can generate like up to like 4 or 5 upscales per day, and the quality is really great. I'll show you like some of the other images that I have done. See, this was the uploaded image. I created this using Flux, and see quality difference. I also forgot to show you like you can also use Flux for it. Let me just go here, and you can just give the same prompt here. I'll just copy this and I'll 80 into let's keep it around 35. Guidance scale also around 9, and then just copy paste the prompt here. Let's click on run. So it's looking for a GPU, and this is also actually free. You can generate like 2 or 3 images in 1 hour, then it will lock you out in order to protect their resources and to avoid the overuse of this platform. So it's also running. I just show you like the quality difference. Look at the difference. This was the image generated using Idiogram, and look at how the quality just improved. So that's how it works. Now you can just upload it onto like YouTube or somewhere. All you need is to click on the download button. As you can see, the resolution is 2560 into 1440. So it's fairly like a big image, and the quality is also really nice. Let's see. I mean, come on, this is on another level, right? Let me just download. Flux is on another level, right? And that's what I was saying from the day it launched. This one is like wow, just wow. The text is on point. Now I will just upload it here again and just show you like this one. I'm just going to upscale it. Let's just upscale this one as well. So that's how you run Flux. This was the image that Flux created, and quality went from that to this in just matter of seconds. Look at the quality of this image. Even the coupon code activate code is also there without any uh, spelling mistake. That's what I love about Flux model. It's really good when it comes to generating text on your first try. Even Idiogram and Leonardo was also struggling with text, but sometimes Leonardo and Idiogram gets it, but we have to try like 2 or 3 times. So with this Flux model, you get it right the first time. And also don't worry about all these different links. I will have it all in the description. I will also share with you the image prompts that I used to make it easier for you. And also all these new image generators, these are all absolutely free. Even the website that I used for generating the is also free, that you will get some monthly credits and you can use all the available language models there. So all of these are good resources. I'll be having that in the description. Want me to keep creating new tutorials like this? Please do show your appreciation by liking or sharing this video with people who might be interested in AI image generation or like YouTube video thumbnail generation. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.